Hello guys, this is a review of the alarm lock which is available in the market, and this kind of lock is quite cheap, and don't ask about the quality of this. The most important of this lock is the alarm. Forget about the security of the key. Well, I want to make a review of it, and I will teach you how you can enhance it, and do not just be too much confident with this lock. All you need here is the alarm, right? So the specification said that this kind of lock is having an alarm if you invert it where the slot is on the side, and the round side is on this side, right? Yeah, one click, that means it's armed. Okay, and when somebody pull the shackle, it will sound an alarm. Quite right? Very nice. But don't depend on this lock, alright? This is just a very cheap one, and it can be easily opened. What we need, what is the most important with this cheap type, is the alarm. Okay? The specification is here at the back, so I don't. All I do is read that once the shackle is pulled 2 times, within 5 seconds, the alarm will sound off, right? And it has an option which, if you invert it where there is a canal on this side, you put here, it will not sound the alarm, right? Even though you pull the shackle. So anyway, we are talking about alarms, right? So they said this is for motorcycle alarm, right? Okay, it's a motorcycle alarm. Quite good. Yeah, that's arm. Right, now, for a motorcycle, what I would like you to do to protect your motorcycle is just install this lock as a secondary lock. Sorry. Okay, so you have a lock for your motorcycle. Okay, what you should do is install it as a secondary lock only. Do not install this as a primary lock, only a secondary lock, right? So select this so that you install it here. This is your lock for the motorcycle. You install it here, right? You insert this, and now you plug this in. Okay, that's arm. Okay, now when somebody try to tamper or get interested with your motorcycle, and the first thing he will try to think is the lock, so he will pull it. Mostly the common reflexes of a thief is to check the lock durability, so he will pull it up and he sound the alarm, and off he runs away. Alright, so that's one way to protect your motorcycle. Make this lock as only a secondary lock, not a primary lock. Always do a good durable lock in your motorcycle and a big chain, right? So that's it. Second thing is what I was thinking is this also useful for door locks, because this is designed indoors, because there is a hole here. If you put it outdoors and got rain, it will get soaked with water, right? So what we should do now is, if you have, let's say, a lever lock, like this. Okay. Say, I'm prepared. Hey! Okay, tighten this up. Okay. One usefulness of this also, this alarm, because it activate on vibration, right? So, okay. So, what you should do is try to do a chain, any small chain. Okay. Insert here. Okay. Put the other chain on the other side. Right now, at night, you can guard this lock. And this is installed indoor, right? You can guard this lock from intruders is by putting this lock here. Right now, try to insert it here. All right. Okay. Okay, and put it on your lever handle. So from the outside, when somebody got interested with your lock or trying to play and to have access, so what they do, I know, is that they will try to check the lock first if it is totally locked, and they will try this, and that's it. So it sounds the alarm. So wow, you have a first knowledge of the intruder's attempt. So that's one good application of this kind of alarm, right? On a lever handle and in a motorcycle. Okay, so that's it for today, folks, and good day.